You probably already have a basket just like this in your garage full of old eggs, where today we're going to turn these old plastic eggs into a set of resurrection eggs, which actually teaches the story of Easter. So I did a lot of research while doing this set and found out there's actually many ways you can tell the resurrection story within 12 Easter eggs. So these are the ones I liked best and I chose for my set. I hope you'll enjoy. So this set comes with the pictures you're going to put inside the eggs and the corresponding cards. So number 1, you have the triumphal entry. Number 2 is Judas betrays Jesus. Number 3 is the Last Supper. Number 4 is Jesus prays in the garden. Number 5 is Jesus is arrested. Number 6 is Peter denies Jesus. Number 7 is mocked as a king. Number 8 is Jesus is crucified. Number 9, it is finished. Number 10, he is wrapped in linen. Number 11, his tomb is sealed. But number 12, Jesus is risen. You can also leave the last egg empty. Also have 2 bonus cards to explain what the story of Easter means and some reflection questions to ask to your children. When you're done, you can simply close your carton, put your cards inside, and you're ready for next year. You probably already have the eggs. All you need is the story. If you want to make your own set, I'll link to my printables below. Happy Easter, he is risen indeed. If you enjoyed my video, please subscribe to my channel and visit my website for party printables, party tips, and tons of freebies. See you there!